Union Minister Jitendra Singh on Monday claimed that over 350 new students from across the country have taken admission in IIM Jammu and the last 2-3 days. He said the institute has been rated among the best ones during Modi government.
At the outset, I must compliment the chairman, the director of IIM Jammu for having successfully inducted the 9th batch today. And it gives me an added pleasure and pride also to see that we have grown these institutions growing from the infancy, rather from the time they were conceived. I've been associated both with these twin institutions of IIT and IIM, which are actually located next to each other. And we have seen, and today it was heartening and gladdening to find that more than 350 new students from all parts of the country, virtually from every state and UT, have taken admission in the last 2-3 days in this 9th batch. And it gives us an added sense of vindication, when we recall that we have seen those times that even faculty was not ready to join IIT and IIM. So we had to literally struggle to find a director, both for IIM Jammu and also for IIT. Though, of course, we got a very illustrious lot there in the form of a director for both these institutions. So going from there, among the 21 IIMs that we have across the country today, I think I can say with a reasonable amount of confidence that among the newer IIMs that have come up during the Modi government, Jammu has been rated as among the better ones. Our placement is also 100%, and they are evolving each year to the next level. And the other experiment which has been successfully conducted over here is that they have entered into a multi-MOU among all the institutions, which was actually suggested by me about 3 years back, because incidentally Jammu is a place where in a vicinity of 4 or 5 kilometers, you have IIT, you have IIM, you have AIIMS, you have CSIR IIIM, you have Central University, which has North India's first space technology teaching department called the Satish Dhawan Center. So all of them are now working in an integrated fashion, because as all of us now realize, the era of working in silos is over. So we have to grow further from here. As the Prime Minister Modi keeps saying that we have to be third economy, we are already fifth. That is possible only we move ahead in an integrated fashion. And also, many of the new avenues which are going to add value to India's economy in future are going to emanate from here. We have successfully conducted Aroma mission in Jammu and Kashmir, the Purple Revolution, which has given rise to a new genre of agri-startups called Lavender startups. And again, IIM has a huge, and CSIR has a huge participation in that, because I firmly believe that to sustain a startup, you need to have a very strong industry and marketing and management linkage right from day one, which we experimented with Aroma, as a result of which many of the boys and girls working in corporate sector are giving up their jobs and coming here to start these startups. So I think with the kind of regional assets that we have over here, which had not been fully explored, and the startup movement which picked up elsewhere in the country, but because of the slow pace of change of mindset happening here, it took some time for it. But now we have the new lot, the newer generation of boys and girls who are highly aspirational. So I think this is one of the better times happening for the youngsters who are going to be the architects of 2047 India. And it's also one of the better times happening for the academia and the academia-related activities in startups for the Jammu region. So once again, compliment them.
Sir, this means that now Jammu from city of temples has become city of institutions and educational hub.
Yes, but yes, of course, it's become educational hub, but not only limited to degrees. We have now graduated out of that era where the education meant only piling up degrees and producing a huge lot of educated unemployed or degree holders. These are the institutions which are working in an integrated fashion to produce young boys and girls who would be employable. They will be startups, they will have different areas of options of livelihood, and they would also contribute to the task